Alright everybody, I'm out on another fucking stroll. But you're wondering, what's that fat fucker bought now? Swedish Army Poncho. I've got a Bergen underneath here. I haven't got the hump. Well, I've always got the hump. Fuck, I just met a lovely couple. Some bloke in the car park just a minute ago. Dom and Alex. Nice meeting you. And can't remember his name. Mate with the border terrier. Alright, pal? Nice meeting you. If you don't enjoy the videos, oh well, fuck it. Yeah. I was hoping it was going to fucking piss down with rain, but it was this morning. I'm going to try it out, but I'll put this on the thing and I'll show you it properly in a minute. So here it is. Right. That's not my big Bergen. That's my wee one. It's just my day sat one. Right. It's right, isn't it? Look. Trouble is, the arms ain't protected, but all you do is just fucking stick them away. Like so. Got no arms. I like the colours on this. Yeah, I like the colours on it. Right, I'm going to go up here a bit, get myself some noodles on and talk some more shite. Would you like that, would you? Hey? Would you like that? Yeah, so I've had it in my backpack, I've never really worn it, but I need to go out in some torrential rain one day. Well, I was hoping that today because it was pissing down this morning. Anyways, I'm going to get myself a fucking brew on. Right. No, that's a bit too dark, is it? Right, I've got the jet boil on. Love that jet boil. I'm going to cook myself, I've never tried these, I'll give it a bash. And I'm going to show you a way that I see on the YouTube by... So instead of putting that in there, right, and you've got to do fucking washing up there, because I'm a lazy cunt. Anything to make me fucking life easy, right? And what you do is, right, when that water's boiled, you put them in here, so you put them in there, you put the water in there, right, give it a shake, and then you put it in here, right, and let it ferment, right? And then, I'll show you in a minute, and then you eat out of the bag, screw the bag up, fuck it, no washing. Fuck it. All for making life easy, innit? So I'll wait to boil them out and I'll show you what I mean. Look, see on this jet boil here, look at that, that's the water boiling, look. That's it boiled. Fucking, that was well quick. Right, woohoo! Right, I'll show you in a minute. Right, here goes. So I put all that lot in there, right? I've measured the, oh you fucker, I've measured the right amount of water, oh you fucker, right, give it a fucking stir about, right, I've just brought out some extra foil, right, just to keep that fucking heat in, right, in there, right, leave that in there for fucking 5 to 10 minutes, back in a minute. Right, well that's fermenting still. Get myself a brew on. I've got my brew kit in here now. Fucking, I had it in the bags and they were getting squashed to fuck, so I thought I'd buy a little Tupperware thing, and I keep all my bits of shit in there like. Here's the dried milk. Like cocaine. Don't be a fucking child, Jonah. See, carry lighters everywhere. I've got a lighter in there, see? Carry lighters everywhere. Always got a lighter on me. See, so that there is telling me it's ready. But seriously, get yourself a fucking jet boil. If you ain't got one, get one. Fucking good bit of kit, mate. Let that stew for a while. Check my fucking noodles, see how they're done. Right. Grubs up. Let's see if it's done it. It's my first time, right? I see it on YouTube the other day and I thought, fuck it, that's fantastic. Right. So hopefully that oh fuck me, that's done that fucking perfectly. Oh mate, that, see, no washing up. Jet ball's not dirty. Got that bag, anything that's dirty, it's fucking that. Fucking throw away the bag in the bin. Fucking, well, I'm gonna finish these and I'll fucking get back to you cunts in a minute. Mate, these, that packet I showed you, mate, they're nice. Right, got my brew in there. Chocolate digestives, I only got 4. Trying to cut down. I would normally have fucking 7 of these cunts, yeah. I got 4, so I think I'm being fucking good. Anyways, fuck off. See you next year.